Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the online exam system using Java. I already show in my previous tutorial demo. In this tutorial I am going to teach step by step online exam system, right? Today the first class. First what I am going to do is go to the file and new project, select Java application. Next here first I am going to give the project name is online exam, right? If it is check main task, I am going to uncheck it, click finish, right? This is the project name. We have project consists of two major folders, source package and libraries. First I am going to select the source package folder, right click, new, JFrame form. First I am going to create the form as student form first. Student, right? Student. The student class is a must. First we have to register the student, right? The first thing I am going to do is today, right? So let's click finish, right? This is your first one. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to first let's go to the exam server, exam server. Here this one's a MySQL connectivity is there. So here what I am going to do is here, first I am going to create the database. So let's click phpMyAdmin. Here click new. Here I am going to give the database name as online exam. This is a database name I am going to create, right? Click. Here first I am going to create the student table. Inside this here only we have a 5 columns, right? Click finish, click go. Here first one should be the ID, the student ID, primary. This one should be the auto increment, right? After that student name, ST name is a student name I am going to write here, varchar like this. After that student phone number, here we have phone, int, address, right. After that we have to give another thing here is age, right? We have to fill this all the stuff, right? So you have to click save, right? The simple one here, this one, simple, right? Now let's, this is a simple table I have created. First what I am going to do is here, first I am going to create the same thing, right? So first what I am going to do is here, I am going to design the form, right? First I am going to drag one label here first. This one I am going to name it as student registration station, right? Okay. I only give only the 5 fields. What are the details you need? You can give here all the details here, okay? Parent name, all the stuff, right? All stuff you can give here, right? Date of birth, all the stuff you will give. Just example, I will give only 5 fields, right? Okay. Here this one, properties, font we have to increase the property, bold, 24, student registration, right? After that what I am going to do is here, you have drag one panel, here what I am going to do is this, here I am going to create the form, right? Simple one. So select this panel, border, soft bevel border, click OK, right? Okay. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to drag the labels, right? First one here you have drag, this one is a student name, after that same label, Control C, copy, Control V to paste. This one should be the age. After that, Control C, copy, Control V to paste. This one should be the here. This one we have to click age. This one should be, we have to make it as phone number, student name, phone number, and we have to, another thing we need is here phone number, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. This one should be the address, here's the age. You have to write like this. Simply I have to give the 4 fields, right? Now we have to click hold on the shift key down and select all, this one, right click, properties, font, this one we have to make it as bold 12, right, perfect. Now let's drag the text field for each labels. This one should be the student name, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, this one, here, this one same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, this one Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right, the simple form, right? So here we need right. Okay, this is the thing we have to do. After that, we have to drag the buttons. This one should be add button. The same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. This one should be the edit button. This one should be the Control C to copy, and this was the delete button, the delete student, right. After we need another button, Control C to copy, Control V. This is a clear button, right. It's a clear bar, right? Clear, right. Okay, right. Now what I'm going to do is here we have drag the J table. So this is the this one J table, this one, right? So drag here. Select this one. We have to add the fields, right? Only 4 fields available, so we have to go to the here, right click, table content. You have to select the rows, all stuff you have to delete them, select and delete. Student ID, the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Student name, phone, address, age, right. This is the fields we have to do, right. That's the thing we have to do. Now what I am going to do, the simple one, we have to make the J table. Now let's change the name of each text field. Select this one, change variable, txt name. This is the first text field. After that, you have to click on this one again. Edit text, backspace to remove the extension, select again. Edit text, backspace to remove the extension, select again. This one, txt font. This one, select this one, change text, edit text, backspace to remove existing text, select again. Change variable, txt address. This one, select again, edit text, backspace to remove, select again, change variable, txt age, right. This one we have to change the name successfully. Now what I am going to do is I am going to add the record into the database. How to add the record into the database? What I am going to do is here, first, this is the, we have a inside the source package folder, we have a folder called libraries. We have to add the relevant jar file of the MySQL connector, right. In order to connect MySQL connector to Java, we have to download the appropriate connector, right, in order to connect the database. So what I am going to do is you just go to the Google and we have to download the MySQL connector, right. I already downloaded. If you don't know how to download the MySQL connector and all, I already have a videos, right. You just go through my previous video. I will explain from the beginning, right. Okay, so I no need to explain from the beginning how to download, right. You just select this one. I already downloaded. I have to get the one. Click add jar file. This is the files, right. We have to get that. Select both MySQL and connector. This both jar files we have to add it, right. Here it's successfully added. You can check here, right. After that, what I am going to do is here I am going to add the codes, right. So let's go to the source. This is the class name. This is the constructor. After that, we have to write the connection method. We have to create the connection method. So we have to write public void, we have to create the method connect. Okay, we have to write. First I am going to register the MySQL driver here. So how to register MySQL driver here is, you have to write class dot phoname. You have to write here com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. This is how you have to register the driver. This is not array, it asks to import the try catch. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here, we have to write the connection, we have to create the connection objects, right? So we have to write here connection objects con, write prepare statement, prepared PST. We have to add the, we no need to add like this, simply you have to add here import java dot sql, we have to asterisk, we have to write like the asterisk, or the classes will be there, right? We have to write like this. Okay, all the SQL classes are reside on this namespace if you call this asterisk, right? This is the perfect one. After that, what I am going to do, you have to write con equal driver manager dot get connection. Here we have to write jdbc colon mysql colon localhost colon, what is the database name? A database, this is the online exam. We just control C, I just copy it, control V to paste here. Right. Here we have to give the user credential of MySQL, right? The user credential, when you install the MySQL connector in your machine, the default username will be root, the default password will be blank, right? This is the user credential, right? So here this is not error, you have to import the cache as well, right? What is the problem? I write here. The problem is here I have to add the root, right? Root you have to write the extra one, that's a problem, right? Again the error, what is the error? JDBC MySQL localhost online exam that the problem is here, you have to close the things, right? Okay, this is open and close, that's the problem, right? Now it's okay. Now this is the method, right? When the class is loaded, we have to call this method. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. It is work, right? That's the stuff we have to do. Now let's do the another task is, we have to connection method is success. We have to do the rest of the stuff. First we have to add the records into the database. So we have to select the add button, right click, event action perform. Here we have to write the add code. So how to add the records into the database? We have to write the things, right? It's very simple. How to write here is, first these text boxes we have to pass into the relevant variables to store txt name, txt phone number, txt address, txt age. So we have to write string name, st name is student name equal txt name dot get text right. The same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be address phone number txt phone. This one should be address string address age txt age. Now here what I am going to do is we have to write the prepare statement, right? We have PST, we have to write here, we have to write the insert query. So we have to write PST equal connection dot prepare statement. You have to write the insert query. Insert into which table you are going to insert the record? Student table, right? These are the columns consist of this table. So here we have to write first insert into student table. You have to specify the column names. Student table. You have to write properly. Inside the bracket, you have to specify the column names. Right. First one should be the student name. So how you wrote here the same name you have to write here. Right. How you wrote here the same name. First name I wrote ST name like this. Second one should be the sequence of rows, right? So here phone address age, right? Phone address age. So write like this. Values. What are values? We have to write here 4, right? 1, 2, 3 question mark, 4 question mark, right? This is the above. You have to write like this. Okay. After what I am going to do is here surround the catch block, right? Now here I have to write here PST dot set string 1 ST name. After that we have to write Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Second one should be phone, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Third one address. Fourth one edge, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Fourth one, right? Now what I am going to do is here, what is the error? Right. Now here, these are called as parameters. This sequence of parameters follow the sequence of columns in the database table. After that, we have to write the insert code, right? So here write int k equal pst dot execute update, right? So here you have to write if k equal 1 mean you have to write the message j option pan dot show message. This you have to write record edit. Else if it is fail mean Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, record edit fail, record failed, edit fail, right? Edit fail. Okay. After add the record, we have to clear all the text fields. So this one Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, dot set text clear. You have to write like this. The same thing Control C to copy, Control V to paste. You have to paste it here. Paste it here. Tone Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. After clear all, the cursors will be focused on the txt name text box. Okay. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. There will be the predefined method called request focused. That's it. That is the thing we have to do. Very simple, right? Now let's run and check whether it's working fine or not. Right click, run file. Right. So here another thing is when the form is run, it should be run at center. So select this one, properties, code, generate center. Now here the another thing we have to do here is this very essential stuff. Go to the source, Control F, your UI design. You have to select here. We have to change it as a mental. Right. Now you run the design and check. So very simple. Here this is the Java format. This is actual Java. This is the actual swing, right? Here it's nice form look, right? Very simple. Now first I am going to add the student name as John, phone number something like that, address India, age 23, click add button, record edit, click OK. You can check here, all the fields are clear, and here its cursor will be focused on the student name text box. Right now you will be able to check there, go to MySQL and see it's working perfectly well. I hope you guys understood the things well. I will continue in my next lecture.